How to cancel Google One subscription. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up some methods. So for that, first thing is you may open up your Google One, and once you've opened it up, you should be finding this interface once you are logged in. So if you've already upgraded to a subscription plan of Google One and you want to cancel it, the thing you can do is, the method you can apply up is simply wait for the subscription to be completed. For example, if it is a 1 month subscription, just wait for it to be completed. After that, it gives you option to upgrade to the second option. All you gotta do is not upgrade it. Apart from that, what you can do is head over to the main settings of your device. After heading over to settings, scroll down and look for the option called accounts and backup. After going over to accounts, go to manage account and then select up your Google account from which you have subscribed. So go ahead and open up that Google account, and once you open it up, you should be finding different options on your screen. Scroll right and head over to payments and subscription section. After going over to payment and subscription, here we will be finding our purchases and payment info section. So all you gotta do is, we have the subscription option also. You may look out for subscription and head over to manage subscriptions. After that, when you reach over here, if you have subscribed using your Google account, here you will be getting a list of subscriptions including Google One. All you gotta do is simply tap on Google One and tap on cancel subscription from the screen, and that's it. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.